at pati sa mga magulang nila. This is an activity of the city wherein we try to make them feel na lagi silang welcome sa Maynila at yung mga magulang should be proud of their children. Ano man ang preference nila sa buhay sa Maynila, pantay-pantay. Walang mahirap, walang middle class, walang mayaman, walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang babae, walang lalaki. Lahat welcome sa Maynila. And you know naman Manila by its very nature, the demographics of the city is so diverse. So we wanted to, nurture that diversity in the city. And in this case, lalo na yung mga member namin ng LGBTQ na maramdaman nila lagi dito na lagi silang at ease, at home, at peace in the city of Manila.
At balita ko po ito yung first ever Manila Summer Pride. So ano pong inspirasyon niyo para gawin ang organize?
Una, dapat noong 2020 pa to, no? Summer Pride yun, nung first time ko mag-mayor. Kaya lamang, March umatake yung COVID, so we cancel it. But now, we wanted to do it this summer. Ang inspiration natin dito, katulad ko, na-experience ko yung Amsterdam. When I was in Amsterdam, the Euro Pride happened. Wherein the entire European community merged in Amsterdam Plaza. So I saw it. It's healthy, it's better, it's good for everyone. The same thing that we saw, hindi ko nakita yung personally, but I saw it in San Francisco, I saw it in New York. So if they can do that in the capital of those countries or major cities in the world, the city can showcase also the talent, skills, and artistic value of our LGBTQI community here in the capital of the country.
So bakit sa tingin niyo po deserve ng LGBTQI community to be celebrated, to be celebrated?
Well, they're part of the community. Whether they like it or not, whether others would agree or not, they're human beings. Everyone is human being. Sabi ko kasi, walang mahirap, walang middle class, walang mayaman. Lahat kailangan pagdating nila sa Maynila, maramdaman nila na I'm at home, I'm at peace, I'm always welcome here in Manila. Especially, the area is very symbolic. This area, the Ermita Malate area. We wanted to revert that kind of mood of inclusiveness here in Malate in the early times, yung mga bata pa kami. So ito yung next generation, the students, the parents, and now merge again here in Manila. In fact, you see that building where library used to be located. Magbago man ang mga itsura dito sa Malate, but the mood is still there, history is there, and the people, we value each and every one of them.
So
here.
may mga personal experience po ba kayo doon na nagtulak sa inyo to be an ally?
Of course, I'm a product of artistic value ng mga LGBTQI. Artista ako eh. Ang nasa likod ng camera, ang mga magagaling, the writer, director, PD, production design, and everything. Masyado lang napaibabawan ng maraming mga bagay-bagay. Pero at the end of the day, this is their day, time to shine in the city of Manila. Silang lahat. At saka magandang mensahe na rin to sa iba namin mga kababayan. Yung prejudice mawala sa atin. Basta here in the city government, you can excel. Your personal preference is your personal. But you, as a human being, as a professional, as individual, you can excel in the city of Manila.
Maraming